Hello student, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to do midpoint theorems for class 10th. Midpoint theorem suggests that if there are two midpoints on the two sides of a triangle, after that I will join that midpoint, है ना, that will be the parallel to the third side, है ना. तो मिड क्या है ये समझ लो. मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम, है ना. It suggests that if we have a triangle, okay, that is ABC, if we have a triangle that is ABC, if D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC, so we join this midpoint to get a line. We join this midpoint, है ना, मतलब कि AB and AC दो साइड से ट्राइंगल के, and D and E are the midpoints of side AB and AC. So here we have a line segment that is D, which should be parallel to the third side, है ना. Again I am saying the statement. See, the statement is prove that the line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Okay, so what the value is given, I can write the value. See, consider, or we can write in triangle ABC, okay, D and E are the midpoints, of sides AB and AC respectively. So what we have to prove? To prove that is DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC, मतलब हमको दिखाना है कि DE पैरेलल होगा किसके? BC के. प्रूफ, since D and E are the midpoints of sides AB and AC, so what we can write, that is AD will be equal to DB and AE is equal to EC. ये बात लिख सकते हैं. Now if I take the ratio of the AB side, that is AD by DB, that will be equal to 1, because AD and the replacement of DB can be written as AD, so it becomes 1. And if I take the ratio of side AC, that is AE divided by EC, that is AE, and the replacement of EC can be written as AE, so the value of AE by EC is also 1. So we have two equations from equation 1 and 2. We get what we get, that is AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC, because each ratio is equal to 1. Therefore by converse of Thales theorem we can write that DE is parallel to BC, and this is from verse of BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem, and this is your midpoint theorem. It suggests that if we take two midpoints on the two sides of a triangle, from there we got a line segment, है ना, that line segment is parallel to the third side, है ना. जब कभी भी ऐसा होगा, मतलब कि इसका एप्लीकेशन हम लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं क्या, कि ट्रायंगल का कोई भी दो साइड्स का मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करने से जो लाइन सेगमेंट हमको मिलेगी वो थर्ड साइड्स के क्या होगी, पैरेलल होगी. ओके. द सेकेंड वन इज जस्ट इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल, और सिंपली बोल सकते हैं कि कन्वर्स है ना मिड पॉइंट का. प्रूव दैट अ लाइन drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. See, the second one is saying that consider a triangle, है ना, consider a triangle ABC. If a line is drawn from the midpoint of the first line, है ना, midpoint of the first line parallel to the second line or second side, है ना. If a line, see, if a line is drawn from the midpoint of the one side is parallel to the second side, will bisect the third side. Will bisect the third side. Means what we have to prove? We have to prove that is AE is equal to EC. It is clear? Again I am repeating it, है ना, फिर से हम बोल रहे हैं. That is we have a midpoint over here, and from there we draw a line segment which is parallel to the second side, will bisect the third side, will bisect the third side. Okay. Then what are the given value over here? See, given is in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint, of side AB, है ना, and DE is parallel to BC. It is also given DE is parallel to BC. Okay. So I have to prove that is AE will be equal to AC. So in proof, what we can see that in triangle ABC, है ना, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. So we can use the Thales theorem, that is the ratio of AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Okay. It is from BPT. Now since D is the midpoint of side AB, therefore AD will be equal to DB. So the ratio of AD divided by DB will be 1. So 1 is equal to AE by EC. So by cross multiplying, that is AE will be equal to EC. Hence it is proved that if a line drawn from one midpoint will bisect the third side, है ना. This one the second one, and the third one is, it is also very simple, that is in triangle ABC, AD is the median. In triangle ABC, AD is the median and E is the midpoint of AD. If B is produced, it meets AC in F, so that AF is equal to 1/3 AC. Okay, I will write the questions. See, we have next theorem or questions. In triangle ABC, AD is the median and E is the midpoint of AD. See, AD is the median and E is the midpoint of AD. If BE is produced, see, BE is produced, है ना, it meets AC in F. BE is produced to meet AC in F. What we have to prove, that is AF will be equal to 1/3 AC. So we have a midpoint over here, and what we need, that is midpoint theorem के लिए एक पैरेलल होना चाहिए. I will draw a parallel from D. Okay, the given value is given. What is given? In triangle ABC, AD is the median, so BD will be equal to DC. BD will be equal to DC because D is the midpoint. Okay, and E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint. To prove, that is AF is equal to 1/3 AC, or this can be written as AC is equal to thrice AF. Okay, construction, we have to draw a parallel. So from D we draw a parallel, that is DG. Okay, draw DG is parallel to BF, no, DG is parallel to BF. So come here, proof. In triangle, say we have a triangle BCF, that is BCF. Okay, BCF, see here, BCF ट्राइंगल में आप देख सकते हैं कि D एक मिड पॉइंट है एंड DG इज पैरेलल. D इज द मिड पॉइंट एंड DG is parallel to BF. Therefore हम जस्ट अभी इससे पहले किए थे कि एक मिड पॉइंट होगा, पैरेलल होगा, तो नेक्स्ट लाइन का जो वर्टेक्स होगा वो भी क्या होगा, मिड पॉइंट होगा. तो फ्रॉम हेयर व्हाट वी कैन राइट, G is the therefore G is the midpoint of FC. G will be the midpoint of FC because we have taken the triangle BCF. BCF में FC का midpoint क्या होगा, G होगा. तो G midpoint होगा तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, FG will be equal to GC. FG will be equal to GC. Okay, good. Again I will take a triangle ADG, because here we have a midpoint, that is E. It is given in the question. E is the midpoint, तो E midpoint है, EF is parallel to DG है ना, तो F भी हमारा क्या होगा, midpoint होगा, है ना. Now in triangle ADG, E is the midpoint and EF is parallel to DG. EF is parallel to DG. Therefore, F is the midpoint of AG. AG का midpoint हो गया, तो हम लिख सकते हैं कि AF is equal to FG. See, we have equation 1, equation 2. What we can see from equation 1 and equation 2, that is FG is equal to GC and FG is equal to AF. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, we can write AF is equal to FG is equal to GC. लिख सकते हैं, ये तीनों पार्ट क्या हो गया, इक्वल हो गया, है ना. So come here, what we can write, see, total AC can be written as AC is equal to AF plus FG plus GC. मतलब AC को हम तोड़ कर लिख सकते हैं AF plus FG plus GC. Now what we have to prove, that is AC is equal to thrice AF. तो सारे टर्म्स को हम AF में चेंज कर देंगे, है ना. तो AC is equal to AF plus AF and that is thrice AF is equal to AC. तो AC 1/3 AC will be equal to AF. Hence it is proved. So we have done total 3 questions in midpoint theorem, and we have seen that what are the uses of midpoint, है ना. So try to solve the questions based on midpoint theorem, and please, I am requesting you, please go through the video and try to solve the questions based on it from the PDF. I provide the PDF to solve the questions, है ना, not to full your storage of your mobile, है ना. And please share this video to your nearest friend who is very weak in study, है ना. From this video they will be helped, है ना. Okay, thank you class, have a nice day.